Assembly is considered the best media player for Linux machines. There are many reasons for that. It is highly customizable and allows to tweak almost every aspect of the player to suit your needs. It also has a great user interface that is easy to use and navigate. Additionally, Mplayer supports a wide range of media formats, making it a versatile player for all your media needs. It is also highly efficient and won't use up too many system resources. Finally, Mplayer is open source and free to use. There are many unique features in this player. For instance, the customizable interface allows us to change the colors, fonts, and the other aspects of the player to suit your needs. It also has a built-in search function so you can easily find the videos or music you are looking for. And it has a variety of keyboard shortcuts that make it easy to control the player without using the mouse. That's all for this video. Please subscribe, like and share if you like my content. Thank you.